In a small village lived a man named Ramu. He always felt lonely.
I wish I had a real friend. Gasped.
You need a friend? I'm here!
A talking parrot?
Slowly, Ramu and Michi became best friends.
Tring, tring! Pick up the phone!
Ramu is in danger! Hurry!
That day, Ramu understood the true meaning of friendship.
You are not just a parrot. You are my family.
And you are my best friend!
True friendship has no limits.